was full of civilization, people. There were kids running around here, and within a span of no time, everything is left in ruins. This might be someone's house here.
4 वर्सांनी ब्लॉग घेवपाचो हा केन्ना येतलो तो खबर ना मात लग्ना कडेन म्हणटा असो पळोवया आतां केन्ना येता तो.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कुर्डी. सो उससे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन लेते हैं. हेलो नमस्कार, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आई होप दैट एवरीवन इज डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. माय नेम इज हर्षित मंडल. वेलकम बैक टू अपन का यूट्यूब चैनल. एंड टुडे वी आर हियर एट कुर्डी with our boys. With the boys is the kidnap vehicle. Kidnap vehicle is the Rohan. Is the Vanya. Is the Padyu. With the glass down, please. No.
आगासी शॉट
Is the Padyu. कोई बरं आता फोकस झाला. हॅलो. The whole story that goes behind the Kurdi village is that a lot of villages were submerged underwater for the building of the Salalim Dam, and that's when a lot of villagers from here were relocated to a different place, including my own village. And I don't know the exact numbers, but I'll just pin up the video that I had done maybe 2 years back, giving all the detailed information about the place. So yes, that's about it. We'll just go near the temple. Up right there, if you all can see, that is the chapel that is there. And this raste se, if we go straight, we are going to reach at the temple that is there. So हाँ, वहाँ जाके आपको आगे की कहानी बताएंगे. चलिए. Last time when I came was a month back or so. That time the water levels were little more up. Now the water level has reduced even more because, as you all know, the amount of heat that is there in Goa, it's unbearable, and we are just waiting for the rains to come to cool us down. Yeah, that's about it. I'll just show you the temple how it is. So if you all can see, last time when I came, the water was somewhere around here. Okay, now you can imagine within a time of like 20-25 days, it has receded from here to there. So with that thing, you can literally make out about the heat that is there here. We'll just walk there near the temple and show you all what is there.
This whole place was full of civilization, people. There were kids running around here, and all of that. And within a span of no time, everything is left in ruins. And now we call it as history, but it was because of the sacrifices of all these villagers, sacrifices of all the families, the people that lived here, that we now get water from the Salalim Dam, the whole of South Goa. So in a way, we need to be grateful for the people, for the families that left their home and shifted to a different place. I don't know where this leads. Might be someone's house. There is in Konkani we call it turas. So there is someone's turas right there. Beautiful. There is no noise whatsoever. Just the birds chirping. There's no breeze as well. These are the ruins of the place. That is someone's house right there. That is the entrance. This might be someone's house here. This is someone's house here. The place that they are
standing on is someone's house. That is someone's house there. Everything. This is someone's house. This here is someone's house. All these are. That is someone's house right there. This is the pathway. It's going down. This.
तू जर रावला बे प्रद्युम ते कोणाचे घर
तू जेवणा गेला तेंगेर आता ना चाय गेला सॉरी चाय गेला तू आता किती केल काम स्टार्ट का
यांका कमेंटांनी गायो पडटा पळय फोटोग्राफर इन द हाऊस
आवड जाता तेरा
Look at this photo, bro.
ब्रो ओ थंबनेल
माझी कला कशी होती
मुगे चड फास्ट येत रे.
रिलिव्हिंग द चाइल्डहुड बॉयज
मार मार दाखव.
हांगाच बुडयलो
अरे माझे पै
अरे it should be that many
look this,
bounces.
लर्न
दोन हा, सांग पण 4-5 वाला
ते पाथर भेटणार घे घे एक नळा घे
रायटी केश करून बताय रे.
हा वरा वरा क्लोज गेला सारखं
रवा ए उठाय
अरे ते राईट करतो मी मला
या बायल शेळीला फोटो व्हिडिओ ए लेफ्टी
ऍक्टिंग करली केलं देवा
वॉन किती गरी घालता नुस्त्याक
बाई हेवी मरे अरे पुरा आता आज चाले
पहिला स्टार्टिंग कोणाचे न्हू प्रद्युमाचे
गुतले भाऊ त्यांना आम्ही आणला आयडी पडलेला आज कामड्या
ट्रेलर मुगे बॅटिंग.
ट्रेलर तुझ्या वेडिंग आपल्यामुळे तू पैसा
So that was pretty much about it for the day. We've winded up. We've left for home. The time right now is 9 o'clock. People are going for ride now. Boom boom. We are going back home. And we just had our tea done. Breakfast is done. Now we are heading back. And there is no current in South Goa today. So we don't know what we are going to do once we get home. With that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video in some or the other way. Thank you for making me a part of it. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. And peace. आणि आता म्हण किती म्हणता तो
आणि 4 वर्सांनी ब्लॉग येवपाचो हा केन्ना येतलो तो खबर ना मात लग्नाकडे म्हणटा असो पळय आता केन्ना येतो
Okay, let's see. Bye bye.